when you hire somebody, it's going to take about 6 months for them to really actually get to a place where they're useful to you. So you got to be patient and understand that this new hire is going to be a drag before they are actually of benefit. And it's going to take a lot more to ramp them up, especially the first time you hire for that position. And you're going to hire that position wrong. You're not going to know what you're looking for. There's going to be parts in your hiring process that aren't going to be well sussed out. And you're going to find yourself in a place where you are making a bad hire. And they always say, slow to hire, quick to fire. That's the truth. And most people are, they hire in a more reactive way because they're like, man, I'm drowning over here. I need air. And they think, okay, I'm going to hire somebody. And then they're going to throw a book of responsibility at them and assume that they're going to catch it, open it up and say, yeah, not a problem. Page 1, let me go.